Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So today I'm telling about you outdoor lightning ideas. So here are some outdoor lighting ideas. String lights. Add some ambience to your outdoor space with some string lights. They can be huge. They can be hung from trees, wrapped around columns or pillars, or strung across a patio. Landscape lighting. Use lighting to highlight the landscaping in your yard. This can be done with spotlight, bathlight, or uplights. Lanterns are a great way to add some character to your outdoor space. They can be hung from trees, placed on table, or used aligned to a walkway. Fire pit. A fire pit not only provides warmth but also creates a cozy atmosphere. You can use the fire as a source of light or add some additional lighting around the parameters. So, solar lights solar lights are great option for those who want to be energy efficient. They can be used to line a walkway, illuminate a garden, or placed in potted plants. Outdoor chandeliers. Chandeliers. Outdoor chandeliers are a great way to add some elegance to your outdoor space. They can be hung from the gazebo or tray. Pool lighting. If you have a pool, consider adding some lighting to it. This can be done with underwater lights, floating lights, or lights around the perimeter. Candlelight. There are something magical about candlelight. Use candles to add some warmth and charm to your outspace door. They can be okay. They can be placed on tables, in lanterns, or hung from trees. Smart lightnings allow to you control the light